Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'm going to do Suratul Baqarah, ayat number 22. So let's get started. Auzu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Ayat number 22 is Allazi ja'ala lakumul arza firashan was samaa bina'an wa anzala minas samaa'i ma'an fa akhraja bihi minas samarati rizqan lakum fala taj'alu lillahi andadan wa antum ta'lamun. It means that Allah is the one, He is the one who made for you the earth as a bed spread out and the sky as a ceiling, and He sent down from the sky rain and brought forth like these fruit, thereby fruits as provision for you. So do not attribute to Allah equals while you know that there is nothing similar to Him. In the previous ayah, although humanity is called Ya Ayyuhan Nas, and they are called to believe in Allah and to worship Him alone. Why? Because He is our creator, He is our Rabb. He is the one who has made this earth livable for us. Its pathways are smooth and its atmosphere is suitable for us to survive. He made the sky a ceiling and a protection. We are protected from all kinds of like meteorites and all kinds of things coming towards the earth to harm us in any way. The ozone, like the layer that is protective for us, it protects us from the different the harmful rays from the sun. So He made the sky a ceiling and a protection for us. He sent down water from the sky so that the vegetations, the fruits and everything, they can grow and we can eat, we can get our risk. Just like He sent the revelation, the Quran, from the sky to give to give fruit to our hearts, which were barren without the knowledge of the Quran, and to get guidance. We know that in our heart that we all of us, even the Muslims and non-Muslims, everyone know at heart that Allah alone is our Rabb. Then why do we make partners with Him? The partners, they are not only just the idols or any special figures of history, but they are also our wishes and our desires, which make us to disobey Allah, disobey what Allah has stopped us from doing. So this was this ayat number 22. Allazi, He is the one, ja'ala lakum, who made for you al arza ja'ala lakum al arza firashan, He made the earth a very smooth place for you. Was samaa bina'an, and the sky as a ceiling. Wa anzala minas samai, and it sent down from the sky ma'an, water, meaning the rain. Fakhraja bihi minas samarat, and for that He brought out the samarat, the fruits. Rizqan lakum, which are risk for you. Fala tajalu, so don't make lillahi andadan, partners with Allah. Wa antum ta'lamun, and you know that Allah is alone and He alone should be worshipped. So this was ayat for today. Inshallah tomorrow we'll do the next ayat. Fi amanillah.